So for level 8, we want to record drums with a swung hi-hat rhythm and develop our chord progression. So let's do the hi-hats first. I'm going to add a drum track. Any old drum kit will do. Oh, blues kit. Why not blues? Okay, so here's my hi-hat. And so because I'm doing a song rhythm, I don't want to use quantize. Okay. And I want this sort of rhythm. So have a listen. Okay, or you can use a wide. Okay, so there's different options there. I quite like that wide symbol. Although it says hi-hats, you can use the wide symbol. So I'm going to record it with the wide symbol. I might just record it once and then kind of pick the bar I'm happy with and loop that. Because I'm not going to quantize it, I need to be accurate when I record it. So it's like, it's that rhythm there. So I'm going to see which bars I'm happy with. I'm happy with both of them, so I'm just going to loop that for the 12 bars. That was too many times. Hold on. Let me cancel that loop because I didn't make sure the end was in the right place. Okay, now I can loop it. There we go. Okay, so that's my hi-hat rhythm. The kick and snare can be a lot simpler. And what I'm doing with my hi-hat is I'm going to press duplicate so that I get that same drum kit. I then delete this because I don't need that. I'm now going to record my kick and my snare. This I can quantize if I'm keeping it simple. If I want to add a bit of swing to that, then I can't quantize it. So I could do... Okay, if you're doing that kind of swung rhythm, then don't quantize it. Okay, so that's kind of a swung kick bit there. Okay, or I could just do a very basic kick and snare beat, which is absolutely fine, which can be quantized. Okay, so I can just do that. And then that's quantized nice in time. Loop it. Actually cancel that. Let's make sure it's exactly one bar. Yeah, then just loop that. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then the last thing it says is developing the chords. So one thing I can do is add a 7th chord. So if we look at our chord progression, our C chord, we've got C, which is 1, 2, 3. So note 1 and 3. F is 4, G is 5. So we've got 1, 3, and 5. So 7 would be B, but with the blues you want to flatten it, so it'd be a B flat or an A sharp. So a 7th chord is where I just add the 7th note, which would be B flat. And I'm going to add the 7ths on the last chord of each before a change. So chord 4, I'm going to add the 7th here. 1, 2, 3, and there was a 7th on 4. Then here we've got F, and then I'm going to add a 7th on F as well. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, but flattened, so E flattened, E flat. And that is the 7th chord. And the other thing we can do is change the rhythm. So I'm just going to demonstrate the beginning with a changed rhythm. So I'm going to re-record that first chord. I'm going to take off quantize because I might do a bit of swing in it as well. Okay, so has that recorded? No, let me delete that. Let me try that again. Something went a bit funny. Let me try that again. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that I've done with a bit of a rhythm to it. Okay, so that's another way we could develop the chords. So either just add sevenths or just change the rhythm and add those drums, and then you're there for your level 9.